Thanks. Welcome back. Crypto Lovers Trading Group after 7 p.m. Sorry, here on Altcoin Tuesday night. We're reviewing a lot of the tokens we got into that we shorted over the weekend, over the Christmas holiday. Saw a little bit of retracement. Some people got out of some. We've gone a little bit of fake breakouts higher. We've kind of then fallen back off all day today. It's basically been red pretty much all day on most 4-hour sticks. Where we're at with XRP, well, we just fell in the last 4-hour stick. We just fell back again into the buy zone below RSI 30 for XRP. Now, the interesting thing about XRP to think about when you're looking at it, if you're still in your sell down, you still may have some room, okay, and room to fall. However, now would be a perfect time for you to go ahead and enter your straddle trade, buy up in XRP. Keep your sell down, your short open, but also buy up as a hedge against that. You can always exit your buy down, okay, your sell down, all right? Capture whatever profits. Most people are already well up 30, 40, 50, 60% in this trade. Even if they got in at this false top at 57, most people got in the trade at above 70 in the group that I am aware of that are texting with me. So it's interesting. That's your interesting play here. You can go ahead and take your profits and run and have a great New Year's Eve. Go out, celebrate, have some fun. Or, again, there's always methods you can do, okay, in order to leverage your trade and leverage your leverage, okay? So you're leveraging your profit by having both of them open. It protects you right on that zone, okay? Because you know that zone is a critical zone in terms of an RSI oversold zone versus its average area of trading, and then it's overbought above it. Okay. And so what you then couple it with is you look at your IO map, okay, and you determine where are the supply and demand barriers on the chart. Where were people previously buying and selling that have created support and created resistance? And that's the information and the behavior that you trade off of. Okay, so we could go back here and we know we're at 85, pretty much 86 cents right now. That's really your IO map support is at 804, okay, of any consequence. Okay, so you don't want it to fall below. Like if you're buying up, you don't want it to fall below that level, because if it falls below that level, you do risk a liquidation event, because it likely will fall all the way back down to 80. And depending on what your leverage is, if you're really high leverage, you don't really have that much to work with. You got a couple cents, 3 cents, 4 cents to work with. If you're 2x, 3x, 5x, you got a little bit more room to work with, okay? But that's a critical move here to keep an eye on it. If she breaks 84, 85, she breaks down out of below 85 into that 84 zone, you're looking at potentially a 24 to 25 RSI event, especially on the 1 hour. Let's take a look, in terms of the 4 hour. Let's flip over really quickly and take a look at the 1 hour and just kind of see what's happening right now. Mind you, we are below the moving averages, okay, which is negative. So take a look at the 1 hour, and we're well below 30 already, okay? So that's telling you, right, that all the way down from the 80 RSI level, basing in the 1 hour within the last 3 to 4 hours, 19 on a 1 hour stick, okay? But you can see here, it's slightly moving up on the 1 hour. We're at 86 now. Okay, so let's go back. Remember, that's the 1 hour stick. Let's go back to the 4 hour. That's mainly what we use, and we're below 30. We're just creeping below 30 as it stands. So there's where you sit from your sell down trade. Now, if you're completely out of XRP right now, okay, you have no open entries, what's the call, right? Well, really, you want to wait, okay? And when I say that is, your play, if you're going to keep this on your watch list, your play is going to be here, okay? A test of 85, regardless. If it tests 85 and bounces off it, you're buy up. If it tests 85 and falls below it, you're going to be sell down if you don't have any current trades, okay? Now, the other move is a move on back above the 7-day, okay? Back above 87 on a 1 hour stick, that flips it to where you may get some bullish momentum and you'll want to be in the buy up. So those are your two entry points on the opposite ends of this 0.859.